Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to follow a post on Thinkific. To follow a post on Thinkific, open up the Thinkific application first on your mobile devices. Make sure that you're logged into your account as well. From the homepage of Thinkific, go ahead and open up any of the posts that you'd like to follow. After you open up the post, from the post details page, tap the three dots right next to the post and click on follow. And that is how you follow a post on Thinkific. Now you will be notified if there is any update with the post that you followed. So that's how you easily follow a post on Thinkific using the Thinkific mobile app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.